Number 4. DJI Mini 3. Looking for a drone that combines power and portability? Look no further than the DJI Mini 3. Weighing under 250 grams, it's the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Lightweight and compact, the Mini 3 is a breeze to take with you on the go, whether you're hiking, road tripping, or enjoying a day at the beach. Plus, with the true vertical shooting feature, capturing tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls has never been easier. When it comes to capturing stunning imagery, the 4K HDR video capability of the Mini 3 delivers crystal clear footage with details in both highlights and shadows. And the Quick Shots feature allows you to easily create dynamic flight patterns or breathtaking panoramas. Don't let a little wind stand in your way. The Mini 3 is resistant to 38 km/h winds, ensuring steady flight and perfect shots every time. And with the DJI RCN1 included, you can pack light and enjoy a seamless creative experience. One downside is that in order to activate the Remote ID feature, you'll need to use the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which is sold separately in select countries. However, this minor inconvenience is outweighed by the stunning aerial shots and extended flight time of up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 3 is a top choice for those looking for a powerful yet portable drone. Ready to elevate your aerial photography game? Check out the DJI Mini 3 today. Still searching for the perfect DJI drone? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.